In this video, I'm going to show you how to change voice in Chatgpt on Android phones. Open the Chatgpt, type on two lines, type on your profile, type on voice again. Here you get the multiple voices. Simply swipe left to check it out.
Hi there, nice to meet you. Hello, it's lovely to meet you. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate.
Hi, glad to meet you. I think we're going to do great work together. Where shall we start?
For example, I like this voice, so simply I will tap on done. Let's check it out. Hello.
Hi there, how's it going?
So this is how you can change voice in Chatgpt on an Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.